At Third Eye, we focus on total cost of ownership and what that means to our customers. Not only safety, but operations, maintenance, administration, fuel tax usage. All of these come into the total cost of ownership. So when you look at positive service verification, how can we benefit you as a partner? Now we know with safety, we reduce accidents, we prevent collisions, we change behaviors, we bring an instant ROI with that. But when the operational piece, with positive service verification, we can now identify every time you pick up a customer's trash, whether that's residential or commercial. So imagine on a residential route, every time a can is picked, you would have instant notification with a time and date picture stamp or video showing that that customer was serviced. Additionally, if the customer does not have a can out, a not out, or bulk trash, or block container, all of this goes to your back office in real time, allowing not only you to have that visibility, but also the potential for your customers to have that ability. Then you look at commercial. On a commercial route, you go and the container's blocked. Maybe it's an overloaded container. Maybe it's a contaminated container. All of these are benefits of the positive service verification piece from Third Eye. It allows your sales team to upsell that customer to a larger container, maybe multiple stops or multiple picks per week. It allows you to identify contamination so you avoid any hefty fines from the city. All of this is a benefit from the Third Eye positive service verification. You're going to reduce the frequency of return visits, route productivity increases. It's more than just the company gaining the benefit, it's your customers gaining the benefit.